Go, start. A sudden and unexpected event which causes an injury to the body is called as an accident. We meet an accident mainly due to carelessness or when we are in a hurry. Accidents can occur whenever, at any time. Accidents are very dangerous. They cause a lot of damage and big loss to property as well as human lives. Sometimes accidents take lives of hundreds of human beings at a time. We should avoid accidents to save the loss of property and precious lives of people. We know that prevention is better than cure. Also, it is said that safety saves. Hence, we must develop the habits of safety. All of us should cultivate good civic sense in us for the welfare of the community. When an accident occurs to a person, a doctor may not be readily available. A hospital may be far away. So, to save the life of the injured person, immediate aid is given before the doctor arrives. This help rendered is called first aid. Fire accidents. In our daily life, we use fire for a variety of activities. If an accident or injury is caused by a fire, it is called as fire accident. Substances like kerosene, petrol, and cooking gas also cause fire accidents. Causes of fire accidents. Fire is very useful to men. We cook our food with fire, but when fire gets out of our control, it causes serious damages and loss of property and human lives. Every year, a large number of people lose their lives because of such fire-related accident. Mostly, fire accidents are caused due to carelessness. In homes, fire can break out and people can get burnt in the following ways. The clothes of a person may catch fire while cooking food on gas or kerosene oil stove or while burning wood or coal. Working in kitchen wearing nylon or synthetic clothes is very dangerous because they catch fire easily. If we use the edge of our dresses like kurta, chunni or sari to lift vessels from gas burners, we may get involved in fire accident. If a vessel containing boiling water is overturned on our body, we will get burns because of the steam and boiling water. If boiling oil is overturned, it may catch fire and cause serious injury. If we fill kerosene oil in a burning stove carelessly, it is likely to catch fire. If the knob of the cooking gas cylinder is not closed properly when not in use, the leakage of the fuel gas may cause fire accidents. Sometimes children attempt to light a matchstick. The burning stick may fall on their clothes, which may catch fire. While celebrating festivals like Pongal, Christmas, and Diwali, children and adults play with fireworks. Many times, fire accidents occur on such occasions. Children may get serious injuries while burning the crackers. Workshops and huts may also be burnt due to this. The defective electric wiring in a house or building may cause fire because of leakage of current due to short circuit. From very early times, men had been gazing at the skies and wondering at the beauty of the heavenly bodies. Especially the moon was very charming. The moon is the earth's nearest neighbor in space. The moon is about 384,400 kilometers away from the earth. The sun is the brightest body in the sky and the moon is the second brightest body. But the moon has no light of its own. It reflects the sunlight falling on the and on its surface. The moon is much smaller than the earth. Its diameter is about 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. The young and the old were fascinated by the cold moonlight. Men had been dreaming of the day when he would go to the moon and move about the surface of the moon. After years of research and experimentation, scientists have invented the method to travel in space. The moon is a satellite of the earth. It revolves around the earth. The earth has only natural one satellite, that is the moon going round it. Some planets have more than one satellites. There are a number of artificial satellites going around the earth in a particular orbit. These satellites have many functions to perform: communication, radio, TV transmission, weather reporting, etc. These satellites are sent into space using what is known as the multi-stage launching system. This system was invented by the Russians. This system helps the satellite to travel at a speed of at least 11.2 km per second to overcome the Earth's gravity and reach the orbit. In this system, different rockets are fired at different stages, provide the satellite enough speed to reach the orbit and also to go round the earth at a particular speed. On 4 October 1957, an artificial satellite Sputnik was sent into space by the Russian scientists. They tried to study stars, the sun, the outer space and the Earth's atmosphere using that Sputnik. Stop.